Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to request time off in Time Doctor. Now, what you first need to do is make sure that the owner or the manager of your company in Time Doctor, what they do, they come here to their dashboard, they click on settings, okay? They need to enable it first. So come to company settings, and then right here, permissions, right? And under permissions, this one should be toggled on. Allow regular users to request leave time and schedules. Now this one should be toggled on. And what we'll do, we'll go back to the other account. And if we refresh right here, you should see that it will let us to request time off. Okay. So now we can click on this plus icon to add a shift or leave. So the way you go about this, you click here on settings on your account, just come here and click on schedules. And then you can just click here on the plus icon and you can choose either shift or leave. In this case, leave because we want time off. And then you choose what the timings are, whether it's paid. If it's unpaid, you just toggle this one on, right? Let's say this is a paid leave, then requesting a paid time off. This one will be toggled off. These are the timings. You hit save, and then there you go. Leave has been added for this date. And that is how to request time off in Time Doctor.